Good afternoon. Today we'll do a problem from death of partner. It's a 6 mark question. Ramesh, Prakash, and Suresh were partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5 is to 3 is to 2. They've given you the balance sheet and they have stated Ramesh died on 30th September 2019. Then his executors were supposed to get goodwill, sharing the goodwill under AS 26. It is mentioned under AS 26, accounting standard 26. Then sharing the profit and interest on capital. They've asked you to prepare Ramesh capital account. This is the question. Now let us start doing the answer. So here, what is given in the question? Given solution. It is given Ramesh died. The partner Ramesh, first partner, has died. How many months he was alive? From the closing balance sheet, that is closing date 31st March 2019 to the month he died, 39 2019. So here 31st March, so we are not counting this 3rd March, we will not count this. The next month after 3 is 4, that is April. So April, May, June, July, August, September. So he is alive for 6 months. What is Ramesh ratio? It is 5 by 10. What is Ramesh capital given in the question? It is given as 30,000. And the ratio, it is given 5 is to 3 is to 2. Now 5 plus 3 plus 2 is 10. So Ramesh is the first partner. His ratio is 5 by 10. So now let us go from the first adjustment. Goodwill to be valued at 2.5 years purchase of the average profit of the previous 4 years, which were 16 and 17 12,000, 17 18 20,000, 18 19 13,000, 19 20 15,000. So now let us find out what is his share of goodwill. Adjustment first one, calculation of Ramesh share of goodwill. So first what we'll have to do is we need to find out total profit. Okay, so here for that, write the 4 years profit what is given in the question, that is 2016 and 17 it is 12,000, then 2017 and 18 it is 20,000, 2018 and 19 it is 13,000, then 2019 and 20 it is 15,000. Now add this 4 years profit, 12,000 plus 20,000 plus 13,000 plus 15,000. So you will get 16,000, 60,000. So that is your total profit. Now second is you need to find out average profit. That is total profit divided by number of years. 60,000 divided by 4 years. It is 15,000. Okay. Third, we need to find out goodwill. This is equal to average profit into number of year purchase. This is equal to 15,000 into number of year purchase. Here they have given you 2.5 year purchase. So that is 2.5. And this is 37,500. This is the total goodwill of the company. Now we'll see what is Ramesh share. Ramesh share of goodwill. This is equal to 37,500 into his ratio. It is 5/10. So Ramesh's share of goodwill is 18,750. So now as it is stated, it is under AS 26. When they say AS 26, you will have to see how much each partner, remaining partner, surviving partner will contribute towards his goodwill. So now, who is the partner? Prakash and Suresh. You will write Prakash capital account 18,750 into, so what was the ratio? Ratio was 5:3:2. So now this is the first partner, that is Ramesh, Prakash and Suresh. Ramesh died. Now who is left? Prakash and Suresh. So what is their ratio? Prakash and Suresh ratio is 3:2. Now 3 plus 2 is 5. So 3/5, 2/5. You should share the goodwill in this ratio. 11,250. This is from Prakash. Now Suresh capital account 18,750 into 2/5. That is 7,500. Hope you have understood. So this is calculation of Ramesh share of goodwill. First what we'll have to do is we'll have to find out total profit. For that add 4 years profit, and the total profit is 60,000. Then average profit. Second is after finding total profit, you need to find average profit. Total profit divided by number of years. Now 60,000 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4 years. It is 15,000. Now goodwill is equal to average profit into number of year purchase. So 15,000 into number of year purchase, it is given 2.5 year. So 2.5. So total company's goodwill, firm's goodwill is 37,500. Now from this you need to find what is Ramesh's share of goodwill. 37,500 into his ratio, 5/10. So his good share of goodwill is 18,750. Now the problem is under AS 26. So what you'll have to do is you need to find how much he gets from Prakash and Suresh. Prakash capital account 18,750 into 3/5. How you got this 3/5? The ratio is 5:3:2. Ramesh died. So now who's left? Prakash and Suresh. What is their ratio? 3:2. This is what is left. Now 3 plus 2 is 5. So 3 by 5, 2 by 5. Now 18,750 into 3 by 5, 11,250. 18,750 into 2 by 5, 7,500 from Suresh. Now let us start entering into this. Let us prepare Ramesh capital account. 4 columns, particular amount, particular amount. The first thing, all. So let us write by balance brought down capital of the debt partner, and capital of debt partner, it is capital 30,000. We have written 30,000 here. Then the second one is, after writing the capital, go to the adjustment, and the first one was his share of goodwill. Now what will be the share of goodwill? We have written here by Prakash capital account 11,250 by Suresh capital account 7,500. Now after that, go to the second adjustment. They have told share in the profit. See, they have told in the question, the second, share in the profit from the date of last balance sheet calculated on the basis of last year profit. What is the last year profit? Last year profit it is 15,000 rupees. So here by P&L suspense account 15,000 into his ratio 5 by 10 into he is alive for 6 months. So till he is alive, he will get the share in profit. So it is 6 by 12. 15,000 into 5 by 10 into 6 divided by 12. It is 3,750. Now let us go to the next last adjustment. Interest on capital to be allowed at 12% per annum. So here by interest on capital. Now capital is 30,000 into interest is 12%, 12 by 100 into, again he is there only for 6 months, so 6 by 12. So 30,000 into 12% into 6 divided by 12. 1,800. Now after writing this, now go to the question balance sheet, see if there is any reserve fund or P&L account. We'll have to give it to the partner, debt partner, executor. So reserve fund. So here we have reserve fund. We'll give his share of reserve fund by reserve fund. Reserve fund 6,000 into his ratio is 5 by 10. So 6,000 into 5 by 10. It is 3,000. Now after writing this, let us add this credit side. So credit side, what we have written, whatever the partner is getting in his account, all the money he is receiving in his account, we'll write on the credit side. Okay, now 30,000 plus 11,250 plus 7,500 plus 3,750 plus 1,800 plus 3,000. So 57,300. So you are preparing capital account. When you prepare capital account, over here you will write to Ramesh executor account. When they ask you to prepare executor account, here on the debit side you write to balance carried down. Okay, this total 57,300. This is what his executor will get from the company, 57,300. That's all.